Hello everyone, this is your GK teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Rampura Phul. Today we are going to study the chapter 3rd of GK, the Kings and the Queens of India. In this chapter, first we are going to study about the Akbar. Now you must have heard about Akbar and the Birbal stories, which are very famous in India. Now who was the Akbar? He was the third Mughal emperor or king. In his court there was a minister named Birbal who was appointed as an advisor in his court for handling the tricky situations. Birbal was a minister in Akbar's court for handling the tricky situations, and this is the picture of Akbar. Next we are going to study about Rani Padmani. Now everybody must have seen the movie Padmavati. Yes, you are right. Rani Padmani was also known as Padmavati. She was the queen of Mewar and was married to King Ratan Sen, or known as Ratan Singh, who was the Rajput king of Chittorgarh or Chittor. Next is Ashok. Now Ashok was also known as Ashoka the Great. He was an Indian emperor of Mayur dynasty. Next is Razia Sultan. Razia Sultan was the first ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Next is Tipu Sultan. Next we are going to study about Tipu Sultan. See the picture of Tipu Sultan. He was the ruler of the kingdom Mysore and was son of Hyder Ali. Now you can do the exercise regarding to it. In this exercise, you are going to fill in the blanks with the help of help box. Here is a help box down. So by using the help box, we are going to fill in the blanks. So the first is Birbal was the member of his court. Yes, we have already done this. The answer is Akbar. A-K-B-A-R. Akbar. Okay, next is she was a famous queen of Chittor. We have done this, Chittor or Chittorgarh, right? So the answer is Rani Padmani. R-A-N-I, Rani, P-A-D-M-I-N-I, Rani Padmani. Next is he was the famous king of Mayur Empire. Yes, the answer is Ashok. A-S-H-O-K. Ashok. Fourth is she was the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Yes, it was Razia Sultan. R-A-Z-I-A. Razia. S-U-L-T-A-N. Razia Sultan. Fifth is he was the son of the ruler Hyder Ali. Yes, answer is Tipu Sultan. T-I-P-U. Tipu. S-U-L-T-A-N. Tipu Sultan. So this was our exercise. Next we are going to study about the musical instruments. Next, chapter number 4 is musical instruments. In this, first instrument is Sarangi. Sarangi. Here is the picture of Sarangi. Sarangi has a bowed, short-necked instrument which is known to resemble the human voice. Everyone see the picture of Sarangi. See, it has a bowed, short-necked instrument. It's very short-necked instrument. Next is Sarod. Next we are going to study about the instrument Sarod. Sarod is a stringed instrument which is known for its deep weighted sound. It has a very deep weighted sound. And here is the picture of Sarod. Okay, next is Santur. This is Santur. It is the instrument of trapezoid shaped and it has a hammer. Look here, it has a hammered instrument which is made up of walnut, and there are 25 bridges in it. Look at its shape, and it has a hammer. So this instrument is called santoor. Next picture is jal tarang. Jal tarang. Now see the picture of jal tarang. In jal tarang, it consists of metal bowls. There are bowls, metal bowls, which are filled with the water, and with the help of a beater. In the picture, see, there is a beater in his hand, right? There is a beater in his hand. With the help of the beater, person strike on the edges of the bowls to make a to produce the musical sounds. So this instrument is called jal tarang. Next, everybody must have seen the dholak. Yes, dholak. See the picture, dholak. It is the two-headed hand drum. Dholak कैसे बजाते हैं? With the help of hands. So this is two-headed. There is one head over here and next is over here. So this is the two-headed drum. Okay, and it is used with the help of the hands. Next, we are going to study about the musical instrument shehnai. Everybody must have seen this shehnai. See the picture, shehnai. Yes, it is made up of wood. This is made up of wood with a double reed at the one end, double reed in the one end. Here is the double reed in the one hand, and the metal or a wooden bell at the other end. Related to this, we have an exercise to do, that is, write the names of the musical instrument using the help box. Now where is the help box? Here it is the help box. With the help of the help box, we are going to write the names. In the first picture, see, the person is beating the bowls. So this is, which instrument is this? This is jal tarang. J-A-L, jal. Tarang, T-A-R-A-N-G, tarang, jal tarang. See the next picture. Here, this is a stringed instrument which is known as sarod. S-A-R-O-D, sarod. Okay, see the next instrument, its shape. Yes, this is called as santoor. S-A-N-T-O-O-R, santoor. Fourth picture, see the fourth picture and look at the shape of the instrument and name the instrument. Yes, this is sarangi. S-A-R-A-N-G-I, sarangi. S-A-R-A-N-G-I, sarangi. And the fifth picture, see the fifth picture. Yes, this is dholak. D-H-O-L-A-K, dholak. Now see the sixth picture. Yes, there is a bell shaped at the one end. So this picture is of shehnai. S-H-E-H-N-A-I, shehnai. This picture is of shehnai. So this was our first unit regarding kings, queens of India and the musical instruments of India. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.